What's up everybody? In today's video we're finally be throwing on the big wing that I have from Big Country Labs. We have your boy as usual helping out. So we finally got the mounting brackets for the trunk, and then we have the wing stands that came with the wing. So finally the last piece we needed was this. We finally got it. I ended up going to Home Depot, getting a bunch of hardware for it, so we can finally put it together. Go ahead and give you guys a start with this car because I don't know if you guys have heard it in a while. It used to sound like complete ass. Still sounds sounds much better though. So it gives a cold start. When it warms up, it sounds way better, I promise. Actually drives me way better too because he's gonna drive it today, and you know he's gonna tell you how he feels about it because actually, in my opinion, it drives way better. And honestly I think it's leaking because of the gaskets and stuff, but we'll fix that. Alright guys, I told you it sounds way better when it's warmed up. I think it's the exhausting as to why it sounds like that. But here she is. Oh, hold on. Bumper is falling off, don't mind that. But yeah, a couple things need to be fixed on this. But looking real good so far. You're good. I do have to adjust the rear fitment because it is rubbing in the back, so I'm gonna go and end up cutting the fenders, but yeah. See, I don't know how long you guys have been around for, but again, when I first bought the car, it sounded like complete crap. We did a bunch of work, me and Trey ourselves, did a bunch of work to it, and it sounds, in my opinion, way better than when I first bought it. And of course, after all the work, it still has the exhaust leak, so it still sounds, but we're gonna fix that. It's not even going on road yet, so it will be fixed in time, which is great. But for now, that's how it sounds. It sounds much better. If you guys heard the updates and all that stuff on it, follow me on Instagram. That's where I post all the updates that I don't post to YouTube on the car and stuff like that. But yeah, so it sounds way better. We're gonna be in the process of fixing it and just having it sound like a good running E36. If you guys, by the time you guys see this video, hopefully it'll be sold, but this bike is for sold. It's an 04 Ninja 636, so it is for sale. If you want it, hit me up on Instagram or slide my DMs or whatever and try to get rid of this thing. Yeah, Trey will tell you, it's driving much better, sounds much better, and Craig's having fun driving it. I can't wait to put that thing on road, but for now, we're gonna be installing this beautiful big wing. So with that, what we're gonna be doing today is, of course, putting all the components together, building it, and you know, I'll just show you guys what we're doing because that's what we're gonna be doing today. So after driving it, how did it feel?
Felt really good. Car drives way better. Still slower than mine, but it's getting there. It's getting there.
When you guys know ahead of time, when this car goes on road, there's gonna be a video of me giving this guy like Applebee's. I promise you. Like, talks a lot of shit, but why is this so zoom in my face? Oh my god. But yeah, like, I'm gonna walk this guy in the E36. I think he's quick, but driver mod's a real thing. I'm telling you guys. Just wait and watch. All right, guys. So the car is in the garage. We're gonna take the wing down. We're gonna go ahead and tape off here, so we can go ahead and mount the wing, put it together, and then line it up and see where we need to drill and get this bad boy on today.
Crashing down
All right, so we have the wing down. We're gonna end up pretty much putting it together, and then yeah, line it up on the car, and then mark it out. We taped it off as you've seen already, and then start drilling. Pretty simple shit. All right, let's do this.
have bought those shoes if they weren't $1,000.
Yeah, shoes.
Yeah.
Oh,
You didn't hear about that whole controversy?
Yeah, the devil shoes, the 666 ones.
Yeah.
We regret to inform you, your childhood has expired.
Oh, it opened up.
Are you good?
Oh, they died, nigga. We died?
Okay, so hold on. How much space do you have on this? Line it up. Put it flat.
But then if this is flat.
Huh?
Well, you bought long nails, right?
Yeah, but it should still be flat. Like on with the car.
Yeah, I don't know.
Push your rear end down. See what happens. Yeah, just have to flex a bit. It should be okay, I guess. It's so weird as to why it's not. Trunk is flat, is it not? What the fuck? Move it up a bit.
It looks flat.
Wait, hold on. Which? That shouldn't matter. You put it in what? Top shouldn't matter.
There's a bottom hole. Maybe that could be it.
No, but this thing should be flat. Also, I guess because we didn't put in the same bolts, it's not lining up. That's
what I'm saying. Yeah. I'm gonna change it real quick. It's just this one, right?
You on the bottom one now, or are you still pulling it out?
Still pulling it
You
out.
just gotta pull it out, nigga. It's off. You just gotta pull it.
Sure.
Yeah. I was like, yo, oh my god, I did not buy something that's curved from the factory found.
Alright, better.
You know, realize? Yours is flat, right?
Yeah. It's up like a little bit, but like.
Yeah. Let me something. So both on the inside, both on the inside. Okay. Okay, so we have to move it over them because. Well, you see the way we did it? Instead of pushing this so far out, we pushed it more in this way. See what I'm saying? So instead of it being on the end, it'll be thing. I have to adjust it again. Because it won't. Because how much space do you have? You have like an inch on that side, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're pretty much equal here. I actually want to see if this will work. Because if we do this, we might miss the bracket thing. Open the trunk, please.
Crazy.
All right, guys. So we've gone ahead and adjusted the wing to where it fits the way we should like it. Gone ahead and marked out the holes, the black ones, not the red ones. There's more focus, but it's the black one, the red ones, and we've gone ahead and pre-marked it or pre-punctured a hole. So we're going to drill now, and hopefully we don't F up my trunk today. Yeah. Honestly, I think it shouldn't fuck up my trunk still because I did good. Alright guys, so we've gone ahead and drilled the holes through now. They're all the way through on both sides. As you can see, don't mind the old holes from last time, the old cuts, but yeah. So now let's go ahead and remove the tape, throw the wing on, tighten it down, and then do our final adjustments from there. Hold on, nigga.
I'm taking my nose off.
That's my nose. It's on. This look bad. It doesn't look too bad. We able to angle. You think I should angle it more?
No, I like it like that.
Do you like that? Do you even angle it up more, like more, so I have the back a little higher, or leave it like that?
I I say leave it like this for now.
Actually, I want to see how the back looks. So if I put words, you can read it. Bro, it looks great, bro. I never thought this would be my car ever, bro. See? Tell you, big wing is the way to go. All right, guys, we're gonna pull it out. I might wash the car today still, cause this is looking bad.
Why? It's kind of cool.
Yeah. But speaking of wash, we're gonna wash the car today. But guys, I forgot to tell you, we do have a channel sponsor. So in case you guys didn't know about these guys, Importworks is our channel sponsor, guys. You want to support your boy? Buy some products with Importworks. Use your code Chevis. You know what I mean? Use the code and help your boy out. Help yourself out. Great company. Just see more of them. Trust me. I was saying, everybody, be sure to our channel sponsor, Importworks. They have blessed you with some materials, and this stuff works amazing, honestly. This is a waterless wax. We're going to test it out. So this is the wing on the car you've already seen. It looks great. I'm going to show you guys the full wing because it looks... I'm loving this thing. Like, it looks really good. Like, it's aggressive. It's wide. It's wider than the car. But as you can tell, the car's a bit dirty. Sorry, the car and the wing are dirty. So we're going to put this waterless wax to work. Got my microfibre. Go ahead and clean it up. Right? It really brings the scratches out. So yeah, let me show you guys. So yeah, car looks clean. Really brings the scratches out, as Trey said. But yeah, man, this waterless wax stuff, it's a godsend. So yeah, if you guys want, support your boy, use your code Chevis, and you know, Importworks is where it's at. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. You know, I appreciate you guys sticking around. Your boy Trey's about to head out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Wing is looking fantastic. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.